Hello viewers, how are you all? Today we will discuss how to exercise without joining a gym. Gyms can be stuffy, expensive, or just downright inconvenient. If you're looking to get fit without getting a membership, look no further. We're walking you through a complete list of all the best at-home workout ideas. There's something for everyone. Whether you're looking to do some cardio, build strength with body weight workouts, or get fit without realizing, we've got just what you need. To learn how you can get a workout without hitting the gym. 1. Go for a jog. Keep your body stacked, or in a straight line. Make sure that as your feet strike the ground, they're in line with your torso and your knees are slightly bent. Focus on your hips. 2. Make sure they're even and forward facing. Try an interval workout if you're new to running, because taking frequent breaks will make it easier to build your skills and stamina. Health benefits. Jogging can help you to maintain a healthy weight, strengthen your bones, and improve your cardiovascular fitness. 2. Shadow box. Boxing without a partner or equipment is called shadow boxing. Throw jabs, crosses, hooks, and uppercuts, punching at the air in front of you. Once you nail the basics, throw in defensive moves, bobs, slips, and bobs and weaves. For the best fitness effects, focus on staying light on your feet and being in constant motion. Health benefits. Shadow boxing improves balance, coordination, and strength in your upper body. Practice yoga. To get your yoga on, all you need is a can-do attitude and a yoga mat, or, in a pinch, a soft floor. If you're new to the practice, work on beginner poses. Try the tree pose or stretch out with the triangle pose. Search for a video online and follow along with your guide. It'll feel like the yoga studio's been transported into your bedroom. Health benefits. Yoga increases your flexibility, builds muscle tone, prevents injury, and even reduces stress. Jump rope. For this fun, challenging workout, all you need is some cleared space and a jump rope. This is a full body workout, so the benefits are huge. Try jumping in quick cycles for 3 minutes, then resting for 1 minute. Just be sure to keep your jumps low, because this will keep the pressure off of your joints and bones. Health benefits. Jumping rope strengthens your bones, improves coordination, benefits your heart health, and increases stamina. 7. Use a rowing machine, treadmill, or stationary bike. Don't want to join a gym? Bring the gym to you. Buy an effective exercise machine and get your sweat on right in the comfort of your own home. Different machines have different strengths, pun intended, but on the whole, you can expect a rowing machine to be a full body workout, a treadmill to help with weight loss, and a stationary bike to be a great, low-impact workout. Health benefits. Improve cardiovascular fitness, strength, and even your mood. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like, comments and share.